Hello, friends. As the four angels encircled the throne upon which the slain lamb stood, they remembered the lion-like holy that Moses encountered when he couldn't approach God and had to remove his sandals. They were all too familiar with the old kind of holy, but suddenly they're witnessing a different kind of holy. They're witnessing the holiness of the slain lamb, the lamb-like holy. They're witnessing a God that doesn't forbid men to come closer, but begs men to come closer. They're witnessing a God that doesn't demand that we remove our dirty sandals, but he kneels before us, removes our sandals, and washes our feet. This new kind of holy sends them into an ecstatic circulation and worshipful dance around the throne. God has removed all distance placed between he and humanity. The new holy is God's closeness. Godspeed, my friends.